What gives Java its write once and run anywhere nature? If you see, Java has the bytecode. So whenever you compile a Java program, it is initially compiled into a bytecode, which will act as the intermediate language between your source and machine code. So this intermediate language can be directly run in any Java virtual machine, giving your final output. Hence, this bytecode is not platform specific. If a machine has Java virtual machine, then definitely it can run the program. So hence, it can be fed into any platform. So that is known as write once and run anywhere nature of Java.